In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Figma file. Whether you're decluttering your workspace, finishing up a project, or simply cleaning out old drafts. Knowing how to properly delete a Figma file is an essential skill for maintaining an organized and efficient design environment. We'll cover the process step by step, ensuring you understand both the temporary and permanent deletion stages. To begin, you will first need to locate the specific Figma file you wish to remove from your workspace. This could be within your recent files, a specific team project, or even a personal draft. Once you have identified the file, position your mouse cursor over it. The first action you will take is to right-click on that file. This action will typically bring up a contextual menu with several options related to the file. From this menu, you will then click on Move to Trash. Consider this Figma's equivalent of moving a file to your computer's recycle bin or trash folder. At this stage, the file isn't gone forever. It's simply been moved out of your active view and into a temporary holding area. This provides a crucial safety net, allowing you to recover the file later if you realize you've made a mistake. It's always a good practice to double-check that you are indeed selecting the correct file before proceeding to avoid any accidental deletions of active projects. Now that the file has been moved to trash, your next step is to navigate to the trash section within Figma. This area is typically found in your main Figma dashboard or file browser, often accessible from a sidebar menu, similar to how you might find a recycle bin or trash folder on your operating system. Once you're in the Figma file browser, look for an option clearly labeled Trash or Deleted. Clicking on this will open a view showing all the files that you have previously moved to this temporary deletion zone. Here, you will see the file you just sent there, along with any other items that have been marked for deletion. This dedicated trash area is crucial because it acts as a buffer before permanent removal, allowing you to review items or potentially restore them if needed. Take a moment to scan the contents of your trash folder to confirm that the file you intend to delete permanently is indeed present. With your file now safely residing in the trash folder, we can proceed with its permanent removal. Again, locate the specific file you want to delete permanently within this trash view. Just as before, you will position your mouse cursor over the file and right-click on it. This will once more bring up a contextual menu, but this time with various options specific to items already in the trash. Among these options, you will find and click on Permanently Delete. This is the critical final step. Upon confirming this action, Figma will typically prompt you with a warning, clearly stating that this action is irreversible. Unlike merely moving to trash, permanently deleting a file means it will be gone for good, and there will be no way to recover it. Therefore, before you click that final Permanently Delete option, take a moment to confirm one last time that this is absolutely the file you intend to remove. Once you are absolutely certain, then you can confidently click it. Your Figma workspace will now be one file lighter, and permanently so, giving you a cleaner, more organized environment.